Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I'm a 22-year-old post-grad and I make videos all about self-care, hygiene, fragrance, lifestyle. So I'd love for you guys to subscribe. Before we get started into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, which is Lily Silk. Lily Silk is an amazing company that makes silk blouses, clothes, pillowcases, bedding, pajamas, everything you guys can probably think of, they make. And they are made out of mulberry silk, which is supposed to help with your skin, with your hair, with sleeping benefits. So overall, just amazing products. I have used silk pillowcases for a while. I've had Lily Silk pillowcases before and I love them so much. They seriously are my favorite pillowcases ever. So the first product that they sent over is this super cute little sports bra, and the material feels genuinely so freaking soft. I want to like live in this all day and all night. So I got this black color, which is super cute. I'm not going to show it on because it's a bra and I'm pretty sure that's kind of awkward, but it is made out of the best material ever and it's super comfy. I've already tried it on and it's so good. And they also sent me a pillowcase, which I will show you guys. So the pillowcase they sent me is this beautiful, like, it's just amazing for my skin and for my hair because it doesn't mat your hair up. With regular pillowcases, it tends to make your hair really tangled because of the friction, but with silk, it's supposed to prevent that and help with breakage and damage and things like that. So yeah. Lily Silk is also environmentally conscious and they are zero waste, which is so amazing. So if you guys want to check these out, I will have the links to them all down below and I will have their website down below. So thank you so much to Lily Silk for sponsoring today's video. But today I'm actually going to be filming a work couple days in my life, maybe day in my life, I'm not sure yet. I just got ready, as you guys can see. I did my makeup and my hair and I gotta leave pretty soon. So I'm gonna take you guys along the day. I'm not really gonna vlog at work because I just don't think that's gonna be okay. But I'll vlog my lunch on my lunch break and when I get home, of course. I crimped my hair and it's kind of like all over the place. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'll show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this like square neck top from Zara and these Old Navy jeans. They're just like mom jeans and some little loafers. And now we're gonna go. Here's my lunch for the day. I just have some brown rice, chicken, and asparagus, and some water. And then I also have some Laughing Cow cheeses. So this is my lunch, and I'm gonna eat it in my car. So I got off work and then I had to rush home to change because I was supposed to take my spin class at 6:30, but somehow they just asked me to come in at 5:30 because no one else signed up for the 6:30 class. So I had to rush home and change. I'm just wearing this Reebok sports bra and my black Amazon leggings that are super comfortable. So I'm gonna go head in. I thought I was gonna be late, but I wasn't. So I'm gonna go work out really quick and then I'll probably talk to you guys when I get home, or maybe I might go to Target because I need more coffee. Because today I didn't have coffee because I didn't have any more and I was seriously so dead. So that's what we're doing. Good morning, you guys. It is now the next day. I completely ditched vlogging yesterday because I had the worst migraine of my life and I just couldn't even like get out of bed because it hurt so bad. So we're starting this over, or not over, we're just continuing on. It is the next day and I'm super tired. As you guys can see from my hair, I should probably fix that and make it into like a sleek ponytail, but I just did some like really light makeup. I don't do crazy makeup when I go to work because I'm just super lazy. So I think, I don't know if I should get a Starbucks today or not. I'm gonna try not to get Starbucks so often, but I feel like I need the caffeine. So I'm just wearing this turtleneck, and I hate that it doesn't go all the way down to my arms. I don't know why it does that, but I'm gonna probably leave for work soon, and if I go to Starbucks, I will show you guys. I'll probably mobile order it because I've been obsessed with doing that. I feel like I'm late to that, but yeah, happy whatever day it is. I can't even remember. So I did decide to go ahead and just get a Starbucks. Here is what I got. It's like a cold brew, like a sweet cream cold brew. I'll try to put it in the description box because honestly I added a lot of customizations, which I'm sure they hated, but okay, this is really good. I'm very happy I did this. I try not to get Starbucks too much just because it adds up, and I never really get like a healthy drink. I always get like something sweet. So I try to get like maybe once a week, twice a week, the most. But I just felt like treating myself today. Also, this turtleneck is cute, but it looks like my head is just floating. And you guys can see I did go ahead and like sleek back my hair, and it looks so much better. I look so much more put together. I swear your hair can really change like how you look. But I'm going to go drive to work now. It's not too bad of a commute, so hopefully there's no traffic because I love when there's no traffic. And I really like the way I've been doing my makeup recently. It's super just like glowy and simple. But yeah, we're gonna have a good day at work and get through this day and hope Friday comes as fast as possible so that we can start the weekend. I'm home now. As you guys can see, I took a quick body shower because honestly, these pieces though, because I'm gonna work out tomorrow morning. So that is why I took a shower already. But I did get some Amazon things or packages, so I thought I would show you guys. I love Amazon workout clothes. If you guys do not buy your workout clothes from Amazon, check them out. I can do a whole video on them because I have so many pieces from Amazon because they're super cheap. And yeah, also it's super messy back there. I'm gonna clean my room tomorrow, but I got this super cute little workout top. This is like super viral on TikTok, and like I always see YouTubers wearing it, but it's just like a long line sports bra from the brand Lemedy. That's kind of what it says. If it'll focus. There you go. And I love black like clothing, so I always just get like really neutral colors. I rarely get fun colors, but then I guess this is like a fun color thing, but it's also very neutral. It is this pair of leggings. It's like a dusty purpley taupe color, and I just love this brand. It's CRZ Yoga, and they're supposed to be like Lululemon line dupes, and they kind of are. I wouldn't say like exact dupes, but they're pretty similar. I also recommend sizing down in those because they run a little bit big. So I got those in a small, and honestly sometimes they lose their elasticity and the waist kind of falls a teeny bit, but that's besides the point. I wanted to show you guys my lash serum that has literally changed my life. I did a video on this. It's from Lash Friday. There you go. I think it's focused. It's from Lash Friday. They did send me their product, but it also is what is the word? I worked with them on a video, but it also truly does work. This video is not sponsored, but I always apply this on my lash line, and it seriously works so well. So that is what I'm doing. Another thing I want to do is use some acne cream. My acne has not been too bad. I mean, you guys might look at this and be like, girl, what are you talking about? But this is honestly like my skin being good. So I just apply this onto some little breakouts that I'm having on my chin, and this is all just kind of like scarring and redness. So I'm gonna apply some right there and call it a day. Oh, okay, kind of does sting, but that means it's working. So that is my nighttime routine. I know this vlog I feel like is super boring, but it's really just how my life goes. I feel like I just like wake up, go to work, and then come home and do this. Literally just like watch TV or do my skincare. It's very, very simple, I know, but that's just kind of how it works. I feel like I haven't been as like consistent, or not consistent, but I wish I had more time to film and stuff, but there's just not enough time on the weekend, I feel like. But I do think this weekend I'm definitely going to try to film some more content for you guys. I need to film like a project use it up update. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to pop in and show you guys a little bit of like my skincare and just some hygiene stuff. So thank you guys again for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.